Hello everyone and welcome back to Mixie Videos by Sam. Today I'm super excited to share with you some amazing Among Us birthday theme and cake decoration ideas that are perfect for any fan of the game, whether you're planning a birthday party for yourself or a loved ones. These ideas are sure to make the celebration extra special. First off, let's talk about the theme. Among Us has taken the gaming world by storm, and what better way to celebrate than bringing the game to life and your birthday party? You can start by setting the scene with decorations inspired by the game, such as colorful banners, balloons, and tableware featuring the iconic characters and symbols from Among Us. You can also create a fun and immersive atmosphere by incorporating elements from the game, such as emergency meetings and tasks for the party guests to complete. Now, on to the cake decoration ideas. A standout feature of any birthday party is the cake, and with an Among Us theme, the possibilities are endless. You can opt for a multi-tiered cake featuring edible replicas of the crewmates and imposters, complete with their signature colors and accessories. Another idea is to create a cake that resembles the game map, with edible version of the task and obstacles that players encounter during gameplay. And for those who prefer a simpler approach, you can decorate a single layer cake with colorful frosting and fondant cutouts of the game characters and items. To complement the cake, you can also incorporate Among Us themed desserts and treats, such as cupcakes decorated to look like roommates, cookies shaped like the game symbols, and drink inspired by the game's various tasks and locations. I hope these ideas have sparked your creativity and inspired you to throw an amazing Among Us themed birthday party. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and creative party ideas here on Mixie Videos by Sam. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.